welcome guys to another episode. Welcome to the Extra Mile and hopefully one of the last SimRig episodes. And here, as you can see, I have started to solder up the wires, and I finally got this little baby here today. And yeah, it looks pretty sweet. The wires are definitely on there. I do have some shrinking tubes. Probably will use these and put them over there. But what I wanted to show you is what happens when I get the power there. And look at that. So sweet. And now what I will have to do is wire them up in series, meaning I will connect this button to this one, to this one, to this one, and then I will connect all of those and the rest of them that will light up to the power source, which is just a really cheap 12-volt converter. And yeah, as you can see, the ring looks lovely. So I will continue to wire this up today. I can also show you this later on. This will light up as well. The tip here will light up permanently, and that will sit in the middle here. And yeah, when that is done, I can install the switches. I've already figured out which of the pins are for the switches and which are for the lights. And yeah, so now I just have a buttload of soldering to do, and I will get right on it. So see you on the next episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, I'm looking forward to wire this all up. Looks lovely. See you then, guys. Bye bye.